Hey guys, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unpublish and how you can also manipulate your calendar into your booking.com in case you're having a renovation or it's just like the property is no longer available. So yeah, you basically need to log into admin.booking.com to go into the listing or to the hosting page. And then you need, so on the home page, by the way, you need to click this three dots in here, this avatar in here. If you have a lot of listings, basically you can see all the listings that you have in there. If you want to see it in bigger view, then simply go into the go to group home. So yeah, again, you need to select the proper listing account. So let's say this one. And then you go in for, okay, let's start first with blocking the calendar multiple. Actually, I'm not going to do that, but let's start first with the unlisting the property. So simply go into the property and then general info. We'll work on the blocking of calendar later, but not in this place. Okay. So if you want to deactivate it temporarily, because in booking.com there's no options for you to deactivate your listing unless you contact the support. So the alternative for that is snoozing it. So you click this snooze your listing, and then you select like what's the reason why you're snoozing it, and then do you want to open the property after the snooze period. If you're gonna said yes, obviously you can do that. No, if you don't want, and then you can start, like I can start right now, and maybe I am willing to reopen it until 2020. Okay, later than that. Okay, let me just 2030. 2030. Well, that's um enough time for you to snooze a property, and then you click next. Well, I'm not going to do that, but that's how you can alternatively deactivate your listing in booking.com, because again, booking.com doesn't allow deactivation unless you create or you contact the support. Okay, now let's jump in with the calendar blocking. So the calendar blocking, you click this calendar and pricing, go into the calendar, and then you'll be redirected to the calendar portal view. Um, I don't think it's have an options for you to multiple block it in the in this view, in this calendar view. I always use the list view because it's easy for me to do multiple changes. So you just need to click this list view section, and then okay, you click this bulk edit, and you select the price, maybe let's say 2022. Let's start here, and you can jump in like 2032 and make, okay, hold on, let's make it 2030. Oh, why it's not working? So you really need to go into that calendar like that. It's just taking so much time to do that. And then you select, would you like to open or close it and save? Well, I'm not going to do it. I don't want to, to fully block my dates. So yeah, that's how it works, guys. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll be happy to assist you.